Inside, this is what the dehydrator looks like without any of the trays. And it is actually really easy to clean. I just dehydrated some chicken skins and there was a bunch of oil spots down here. And I just take a rag and I go over it. And it's just super, super easy to clean. If I get anything on the sides, I just wipe it nice and clean. Another tray that this dehydrator comes with is a fruit leather tray. And I love that because it has a bit of a rim here for you to be able to make your fruit leather. So that fits in very easily in your dehydrator as well.